So the component of central processing unit, we have the memory unit. Memory unit stores information and data into a computer central processing unit. So with the help of the memory, we will be able to save our data and information into the system so that we can use them for future use purpose. So let's look at the control unit, which is known as CU. It directs the processor's operation. So by telling the memory unit, arithmetic and logic unit how to perform or how to respond to program and instructions. So the arithmetic and logic unit is used to provide a calculation aspect in computer system. So the control unit controls them. Then let's look at the registers. Are the fastest memory close to the CPU. All data must be stored on the register before it can be executed. Those registers are very close to the central processing unit. They quickly sense information and data or signals that are sent to the computer system. So buses are the means by which data can be transmitted from one part of the computer to another. We have various components that are attached to those buses, and they execute different information and data. So let's look at the buses are the means by which data is transmitted from one part of the computer to another. So we are still on component of central processing unit. So we have the arithmetic and logic unit, which is ALU. The ALU are responsible for tasks like addition, division, subtraction, multiplication, etc. and AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate to be carried out mathematical aspects. So all aspects of mathematical symbols and mathematical equations are done with the help of the arithmetic and logic unit. So the CPU is located on the motherboard, which connects all the computer's parts. If the motherboard or the processor is damaged, the computer will not work. So we see how powerful the central processing unit and the processor and the motherboard are very strong regard to the computer system. Without the motherboard and the processor, automatically your computer system will not be able to function. Output devices display, print or transmit information. So with the help of output devices, we will be able to have an information or understandable information in form of text. Individual may be able to type text in order to send message to people, and they will be able to understand the message he tested. Or sound, they can also view this sound with the help of output. Or videos, they can visualize the voices, or they can watch the videos so that they will be able to understand the message. So we are now in slide 9, which is types of output devices. We have monitor, we have printer. So the primary visualize output device for computers, monitors display text, image and icons. Monitors come in different sizes and technologies, such as LED, LCD. The LED is known as light emitting diode, while the LCD is known as liquid crystal display. They are all part of monitors that will be able to visualize images or videos on a screen. Then we have the printer. The printer creates physical copies or digital information such as documents and photos. With the help of printer, we will be able to convert our soft copy images or documents into a hard copies. So slide 10, we are still on the types of output devices. So we have speakers. So speakers produce audio output for listening to music, watching videos, or participating in video calls. Speakers can be wired or wireless. So those speakers allow us to listen to music and videos. So some speakers are wired and some are wireless. Like a headphone can be in form of wireless, an AirPod, and so on. While the Uber home theater, they are the types that are called as wired speakers. So we have the headphones. It provides personal audio output for private listening or when you need to focus without disturbing others. Maybe you might be in an event or in a place that you don't want to disturb or interact with anybody, then you decide to use your earpiece or headphone in order for you not to disturb individuals that are participating in an event. So we have the projector. The projector allows for large-scale visual displays such as presentations, home theaters, or immersive gaming experience. So we can use it for presentation. Let me give a scenario with a school that are trying to graduate their students. So they wanted to make a seminar presentation for each and everyone, and they have large audience which are other students that are below the ones that they are graduating to come and participate. They have to put the projector so that each and every one of those students will be able to view those images or those presentations without stressing. The physical parts of a computer system are called the computer hardware components. The hardware components alone cannot work and give any result without getting instructions. So where can we find those instructions? Those instructions are embedded on the central processing unit, because it is an circuit that consists of multiple components, and all those components has their function and how is to be done. So the set of instructions that tells the computer hardware what to do and how to do and when to do it is called the computer programs. All those computer programs are embedded on the central processing unit.